Hi everybody. This is a farm that borders onto our farm, and it's a horse farm. So if you look out, you can see this is a white horse, so we know white, and this is the sign for horse. And then look over here if you can see. This one is white and brown. And then over here is a dark brown one, and another white one, and a really, really small one way over there. They're all ponies. Can you count with me how many horses there are? There's one. You see how? 1, 2, 3. Way back there is 4. And then the tiny one makes 5. There's 5 horses in this field. Oh, watch them run. Woo. We're going to move on to another field, and we're going to show you something very special that's in one of the other fields. So come on, follow us. Here comes our pretty brown one that we like. This one's jealous. He's not being kind, is he? He doesn't want the other one to have fun.
There's your little guy.
Here comes the little one. Oh, maybe not. Can you tell me what color this pony is that's coming? Is it brown or white? You're eating a stick. Oh, can you get a picture of them running? You want to move on to the next field?
Now in this field, do you notice anything special here? In this one, there are 2 horses. You see, you can see the top with the little white. That's one horse. You squint to the side and see one more that's tiny. That's a baby horse or a pony. That's the baby horse with his mama. Those 2 are keeping an eye out for each other. The mama leads and the little baby follows wherever the mama goes. See them better now? They're glued to each other side by side. Now we're at another field. If you look closely, do you see the color of those flowers? What color are they? They're yellow, right? Yellow. Over here, there's more horses.
Can you show them the sheep?
Sheep.
Way up there.
They are.
Can you show them the red barn?
See if we can find it. There it is. There's some horses. And how many are in this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 horses.
Can you see the clouds in the sky? Some of them are white and fluffy, and some of them look like they're a little gray. And the grass is green, and the sky is blue. It's a pretty day here out on the farm. We decided to take a walk outside just to get out of the house for a little bit. We hope you're enjoying our walk, because we certainly are. We miss you guys, and we love you very much. Okay, bye, Keandre. Bye, Adriana. Bye, Kaisha. And bye, Cody. Thank you for coming on our walk today. Welcome to our farm. Hopefully we'll see them soon. Okay, bye-bye.